Assalamualaikum aspirants. This lecture covers important Islamic studies, multiple choice questions that are vital for your competitive exams preparation. Each question focuses on key areas including Quran, pillars of Islam, battles, companions and Islamic belief. By practicing these questions, you can strengthen your recall and improve your accuracy in exam. So go through each question carefully and test your understanding. तो इस लेक्चर में हम 20 MCQs इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ के डिस्कस करेंगे और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। हाउ मेनी सूरा आर देयर इन द कुरान? कुरान में कितनी सूरतें हैं? 110, 114, 120 या 100? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी 114। कुरान में 114 सूरतें हैं। The Quran contains 114 surah as established by scholarly consensus and each surah varies in length and theme, forming the complete divine text, and others numbers are incorrect. Next question है कि who was the first person to compile the Quran in book form? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है हज़रत अबू बकर सदीक रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु। हज़रत अबू बकर सदीक रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु ordered the compilation of the Quran into a book during his khilafat to preserve it after memorizers died. So this effort was led by Zayd bin Sabit, and other figures standardized or copied it later. The next question, what is the meaning of अकीदा in Islam? इस्लाम में अकीदा का क्या मतलब है? तो अकीदा का मतलब है belief. Aqidah refers to the core beliefs are created in Islam, such as faith in Allah and His prophets, and it forms the foundation of a Muslim theology. Other options like worship or charity have different terms. The next question है कि in which surah is the story of Prophet Yusuf al-Islam mentioned? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी सूरह यूसुफ। Surah Yusuf narrates complete story of Prophet Yusuf, focusing on his trials and forgivenesses, and it is a unique for its cohesive narrative, and other surah cover different stories. The next question, how many pillars of Islam are there? तो इस्लाम में कितने पिलर्स हैं? इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी 5. The 5 pillars of Islam are shahada, salah, zakat, sawm and hajj, and forming the core obligations for Muslims, and these are universally accepted in Sunni Islam. Others numbers are incorrect. The next question, who is known as sword of Allah among the companions? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी हज़रत खालिद बिन वलीद रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु। हज़रत खालिद बिन वलीद रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु earned the title sword of Allah for his military prowess in battles like Yarmouk. The Prophet, peace be upon him, bestowed this honor, and other companions have different titles. The next question है कि what is the total number of रकू in the Quran? तो रकू कितने हैं कुरान में टोटल? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है 558. The Quran has 558 raku or sections, dividing its 30 juz for recitation and study, and this is a standard count in most Quranic editions, and others numbers are inaccurate. The next question, which battle is known as the Battle of Trench? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है Battle of Khandaq. The Battle of Khandaq, also called the Battle of Trench, occurred in 5 Hijrah when Muslims dug a trench to defend Medina, and it was a strategic victory. The next question है who was the mother of Prophet Ismail अलैहिस्सलाम? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए में है हज़रत हाजरा. हज़रत हाजरा was the wife of Prophet Ibrahim and mother of Prophet Ismail as per Islamic tradition, and she is linked to the Zamzam well story, and other figures are unrelated. The next question, what is the name of the first revelation to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए सूरत अलक. The first revelation received in 610 Common Era in the cave of Hira was the opening verses of Surah Alaq, and it began with Ikra, mean read, and other surah were revealed later. The next question, how many times is the word Allah mentioned in the Quran? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए 2698 मरतबा जो है वो यानी कि अल्लाह ताला का नाम कुरान में मेंशन है. So the word Allah appears to 2698 times in the Quran based on scholarly counts, and this reflects its central role in Islamic theology. Then next question है कि which Khalifa standardized the Quran compilation? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी हज़रत उस्मान. हज़रत उस्मान रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु standardized the Quran text in 650 Common Era to unify its recitation and prevent variations and he distributed copies across Muslim regions. And Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu anhu initiated the first compilation. The next question, what is the meaning of Tawheed in Islam? तो इस्लाम में तौहीद का क्या मतलब है? Oneness of Allah. Tawheed refers to belief in the oneness of Allah, a core Islamic principle emphasizing His unity and uniqueness. So it is foundational to Muslim faith. And other options describe practices, not beliefs. Then next question देखते हैं. In which year did the Prophet peace be upon him migrate to Medina? So इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी 622 Common Era. The Prophet migration to Medina in 622 Common Era marks the start of Islamic calendar and it was a pivotal event for the Muslim community. Then next question है कि which surah is called the chapter of the bee? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए सूरह नहल. ठीक है, सूरह नहल is named the bee due to its reference to bees and divine creation in verse 68. And other surah have different names and themes. Next question है कि who was the first martyr or shaheed in Islam? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी हज़रत सुमैया. Hazrat Sumayya radhiyallahu anha is recognized as the first martyr in Islam, killed by Quraysh for her faith in Makkah, and her sacrifice is a symbol of every Muslim resilience. Then next question देखते हैं. What is the number of angels mentioned in the Quran by name? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है 4. The Quran names 4 angels, Jibrail, Mikael, Israfil and Israel, and they are associated with specific divine tasks. Others numbers do not match Quranic references. The next question, which event is associated with the night of power, Laylatul Qadr? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए revelation of Quran. Laylatul Qadr mentioned in Surah Al-Qadr marks the night when the Quran first verses was revealed, and it is considered better than 1,000 months. Then next question देखते हैं. What is the Islamic term for voluntary charity? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी सदका. Sadaqah refers to voluntary charity given out of compassion, distinct from the obligatory zakat, and it can include money, deeds, or kindness. The next question, who was the scribe of the Prophet, peace be upon him, for writing revelations? तो इसका सही जवाब है Hazrat Zayd bin Sabit. Hazrat Zayd bin Sabit was a key scribe for the Prophet, peace be upon him, writing down revelations, and he also led the Quran compilation under Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Radhiyallahu anhu, and other companions had different roles. So these questions provide you with a clear path to revise essential topics of Islamic studies, review them regularly, and note the areas where you need more focus. Consistent practice will help you gain confidence and improve your performance in exams. Stay dedicated and make sure no topics is left uncovered.